The magical garden. In a garden bright and fair, colors dance upon the air. Butterflies with wings so wide flutter gently, side by side. Golden sun and skies so blue, raindrops sparkle, fresh and new. Flowers bloom in red and white, smiling faces, pure delight. Birds are singing, chirp and cheer, whispering secrets, soft and clear. A tiny squirrel, quick and sly, leaps so high, it seems to fly. Beneath the trees, the rabbits play, hopping, jumping all the way. Bees are buzzing near the hive, keeping all the flowers alive. A gentle breeze begins to blow, making all the tall trees grow. The moon arrives, the stars shine bright, filling up the sky with light. Dreams take flight on wings so free. In this garden, come with me. Magic lives in things so small, nature's wonders, loved by all. This world of wonder, pure and bright, fills our hearts